Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anita. I'm a Zambian living in Lagos, Nigeria. So today, you guys, I just decided to go and buy my first house plants. These are the only pots this man has. Actually, he's just in my vicinity, he's just opposite my estate, so that is why I just decided to just try and check what he has available. So I bought this plant. This is like the mother-in-law plant, also called snake plant. It's like it has so much medicinal value for your home, and it's an air purifier, so it's a very good plant. Actually, when I googled about it, I was happy that I had actually bought it. So I bought two plants. I bought the snake plant, and then I bought a Zizi plant as well. The Zizi plant, the name is very complicated, but then it's also an air purifier, and it's good to have indoor as well. And so that's why I went for those two. Though I know that I want to get more plants, except that the pots he had were not so attractive, because as I got these kind of pots, I still have to do some other stuff with them. So this vegetable is a vegetable we eat very well in Zambia. In Zambia, we call this kalembula. This is like sweet potato leaves. I didn't buy this because in Zambia it's green, and then here it's purple, and so I'm like, am I going to manage to eat this purple vegetable? I was like, no, I might not manage to eat it. So unless I get the green one of it, I would love to go for this vegetable because it's one of my favorite vegetables actually. So I saw very interesting plants that I would like to get from this man actually, but then I just want to come up like with a structure of how I'm gonna do it. I want to get more of house plants actually, because I actually love plants, but then I don't really have the time for them, but I want to make time for them because now it's like I'm getting a bit older. I'm in my 30s now, and I feel like having plants in the home is a good thing and just another responsibility. And so there's a stream actually by where this garden is, and so that's why it's well watered. Okay, that was scent leaf. That scent leaf, I actually got one scent leaf for my backyard. I have scent leaf, but it's not doing so well, so I decided to get another scent leaf so that I would now adopt what the man was actually telling me, like how to look after them. So I want to try it as well. And then I got curry leaves as well, because I feel like having plants in your home is a good thing, especially like spices. Like in Zambia, in my house actually, I have a few plants, and I have vegetables actually. I don't really have to buy vegetables when I'm in Zambia. I have vegetables in my home. So this is the plant I bought, you guys. So a sister of mine who is into plants in Zambia advised me to get like the two types of snake plant, and this was like so affordable. I didn't even expect it. Even this Zizi plant, actually my sister was like, it's a very expensive plant, but I got it at a good price, so I was happy about it. So I'm just gonna start, and then I'll see how it goes with all these flowers. And so you guys, just wanted to share this just to motivate somebody. If you want to start having plants in your home, I think it's a good idea. It's a great idea. It's good for the home. It will purify the air in the home, and you just get a sense of that you're doing something nice, you're doing something beautiful. So this is my first plant. I bought two. The other one is a Zizi plant. So if you watch this video to this point, don't forget to like, subscribe.